Mame ma akwaba emfa umbra Ghana nsem TV GH so. Wo frame adwoa searching. Xandy Kamel actress. Esan so NDC ni. Xandy Kamel na ne papa NDC MP a ofi mu. Nti Xandy de so onti mu NDP ni na yi. But me aya na masema make can say no matter party that you belong to, no, and sasa we cheap propaganda. The only say say the truth. Most of these people they are very, very intelligent. Omu nim say aban way perform ya. Omu nim. Omu nim say aban way performance what they know. But because of them being into no, omu kada. In the Xandy Kamel na no demo watch say. Aden omu ni uncles, omu ni mothers, omu ni fathers, omu ni friends. Sebio impo omu ni obi omu ni ne beda ntino. Omo mbo omo kra campaign omo ye owu bia nko omo ewu kwa NDC aban say one among the denti you are not helping them. Nya na meka Xandy na no de nanim sem atuja yenti nsem Xandy e de etuja.
Enti why am I doing say just because we are not kissing anybody's ass, we are calling a spade as it is. Just because we don't have uncles, grandpas, godmothers, godfathers, aunties, mummies, ni ne keka ho. Ye ni mpanyimfo ni bi entwe mpona. Eni nti no, mo ma koma de yen wo ho. Mo ma koma de yen wo ho. Mo adwen say mo moayen mo mfi yen ekomu nkuyen ekomu na mu edien dada se de mo hwa makom na kuyen na afa ye wuwi a oh she did so well during the campaign, oh he was so good, oh he was too good for oh sir when your self entitlement oh we and your self entitlement and some of it was self entitlement when your self entitlement oh mon fanche mutrim say the fact say ye ni godmothers ni godfathers, we are not kissing anybody's ass, neither are we dating obia or party ni mono, doesn't mean say was a komukuyen monti muni emehwen na momoa yen wate yen ka se monfa yen to payroll so there be but bibi kakra ebetimi ama yen so yetimi ahwe ye busua no moma muni emra yeso wate yeda mo ase.
Yeah. Mami Kebi Bincho. Cocobot CEO with the salary as to chair the president of the land. The Cocobot CEO with the salary, as I know of, was I think 86,540. Coco and the Kufadu was 3,100. You promise, giving them 6,500. Now, you have actually reduced it from 3,100 to 2,587. But your salary is still intact. This is inhumane. You don't treat your own people like this. Say cocoa scan the chalk and say what cocoa a word market let's say price now about 4 more. Your salary need to also come down. And this is how we treat people. This is how you treat your own people. Let me tell you, see, the truth of the matter is that our politicians don't learn. They are always lying to the masses. See, the truth of the matter is that Ghana or Africa, no, you do not control the prices of the commodity on the world market. So when you are talking about it, was it you are even in opposition, you speak with facts and not propaganda, emotions and lies. But no, the average Ghanaian politicians will come and lie to the people, speak with emotion, spread propaganda and falsehood just to have the power. And when they come, they even do worse. Senkani pepe mua, ka wote so from 3,000, and ka also to salary should be about the same amount. The truth of the matter is that when you people, lie, when you play politics with the economy, the city would expose you. And exactly is what is happening. So I am thinking that we should pass a vote of no confidence in this government, because everybody in this government, from the president to the finance minister, in opposition, what they said about cocoa is not what is happening today. And the truth of the matter is that it is not their fault. It is not as if the president is wicked and they just want to. No. It is not their fault. But they failed to tell the Ghanaian, the cocoa farmer, the truth. Because they were in opposition and they were so badly looking for power. So they have to, if there's anything goes, they have to just say anything for the people to believe them and come and just continue the mess. This is exactly what is happening. So I'm even suggesting that we should pass the vote of confidence, no confidence in this government, and sack them and go and sit somewhere. Because you see, you brought this disgrace upon yourself, because whilst you were in opposition, you decided to speak with emotions, lies, and propaganda. And the reality is now hitting you so hard in the face. You see, Kamel has a very beautiful way of dealing with people. And you see, now when PP is also in position, I'm actually waiting to hear what they are also going to say. The truth of the matter is that none of these parties, MPP, NDC, controls the prices of cocoa on the world market. It's just like, a petrol fuel. Ghana, when the prices on the world market goes up, the prices will obviously go up. When it comes down, it comes down. So this is not a thing that you need to, you're not supposed to be playing politics with some of these things. But no, the average African politician will come and lie to the masses, get power, come and then, do even worse. Now, look at it. And we say poto. But we be hono. I didn't know what Makoko but see you am address press conference. No, at force now Kasa. You were the very person that told the farmers who for Adonina buying. Omukoton cocoa 9,600 where market were. I wasn't come the cocoa farmer no 2/3 of that 9,000. It was a cocoa farmer in your base, 6,500. Now banning one for 3,000 or they mark the phone. But the opposite was the case. And that when you people come to power, when they vote for you for an number bar. Now if you say cocoa prices, no, you determine what Jubilee House and I say go more buduata. But you lie to the cocoa farmer. Now reality say and then more can say me show my body down good, my countenance. Now me show my facial expression. Shame a form, and you people got no shame. You got nerves to stand in front of the camera and tell the Ghanaian cocoa farmer say what is it from 3,001 to 2,587. Listen, I think that this country, everybody is funny. Like I said before, Ghana is like a comedy channel, and the comedy will still continue. Luther will still continue. A cocoa farmer, the ball is in your court. Now, when the politician is talking to you, you will learn a lesson. Say, BB Yamawa, MPP, NDC. I feel that, see, I don't know. Look at that, but we are by way, you better do most better. Nature be born Dania, you be who they catch you almost. I rest my case to the cocoa farmer. The vote is your power and it is your right. Until whoever you choose to vote for, that's your one cup of tea. I wouldn't come and tell you vote for NDC or MPP. But you show vote now, shows the car now watch it before. Now they are trouble. I rest my case, I forget the God bless you. I don't want to even be a cocoa farmer. I'm out of yeah.
And so you have two. And then you can come and say the market for now, and the good for the Satan, and then I go for another million and say, and I go market to come to them. Musu, Muni dollar now, $1 40 now, but you can pass some social media, a data for the sound. The group would be a dollar above from 81 for my name on that. Obianka to most of the dollar number from a Juma go for the young guy $1 from, and she's a bit for. Sabi je fi kronfo no ya o de na akwa chance eyi kronfo de chi amwa won go ton bi won fa you command ni no fa da Kamel de be sheku eyi the Bank of Ghana eyi dollar na mra from tubunya di ma me dollar na aba for ma me obi anka na yetuntu na mo fa mo ti be mo pass ya sem se bi na mo te Ghana mo nim nyansa na ye tu mo fo na mo posa mo hwa no Ghana fo be ti be do eku fo the fail and to the buy wa go ke eku na e friend say eyi the rationale behind fear is just like we have to read no economy national. I work ya boke egu pa obi boys ya boke egu for the boke egu za school fees for the mama kwa be go be asawo jointa sa me nka ba ye kama be rukutu asawo for ba yiska mas asam kwa na Ghana for the biti ase ya wuti ye pre mo na acha pre mo ye ya won pre na mo to na nkwasa sa dokono kwa ye na dokono kwa ye de dokono ye to no one city obi akoto bi the fridge dokono na one city mpoto bi be fridge na the next time ababa so na se wo pre Ghana ye die ama Ghana go na nima na wo fie ku abasa wo maye da achi a wo kire ko na da hwe wo mama mba ko wo nima ma ayeye wo still so this guy is sad be ni to na re yan kan kuma mba nko school da achi wo tu ma etu anga se wo ka achi fo no wo raba fo nsuo nyansa de ye kire ko ye de apre ye die ye de apre da achi no mun da Ghana mo di Ghana ni na dokro na eyi the Jenny Kawuro wele area and I said I teacher here or no I picked no so na say mumu bebre mu chi na mu mempre Ghana ku e kanko party mu mempre Ghana kanko na mu meba o mia kwan no wonra na nyansa ne die e wori tri ba and na Mahama ba ye because one Kenya na se bia fa nchem to no dia wo ye na nkanyansa se wo na gufo ye ba o mia started digitalization aba and in your comfort zone uti bia uti be bia no ono be catch so be see night market na daytime market so wo ye to nyoma sen daytime na nya ye twem kopa na ubisa bo na catch on wo twem ko ne to nyoma sen na adwo kai bombo be Mahama be ifuo wo be nya be yi akojo etu na adwo se e koto nipa na mo se koto se bo na mo mitumi mutum 24 hours mu de kon
Onwuje na say owu no mo banyo enne no we can we say duru market is yana ju
say abe father so for you ade say asofo nya ko di be ye hu ma so so ni ase o ma boye night market enti Mahama the night market na eba musi dwom ya fitira ba ko si ewia ya nto ana dwono me ma pono me ko da no eba be to sasa me to mo nya kwa ye nku ban kwa ye why your mama billet mama farm fofo na ko tumi ka che drive bi so mo de e bag de tigeta mo mpe na mo de ye do ko ndu muku na mo boje na su yo tu matam kana mo boje na su en na mo de mo su koko farmers mo nka mo ye bi tu ho na enyo ye ho mo nka ma no tu ye be pay from 400 to 3000 mo se e do kwa mo mpe mo nka ma no tu en na mo pese champion no mo nya ke be kuru mu nya mu ndia egufo de be two more this and 10% be ka 3000 no who dey the fuchi be ka share say esua ene de ye nja on to say antiso o mama fa be twa obi a 500 mo obi a 500 fa da ka na bread na ma yesu on krai ha fa mo obi a 500 musu ene go mo go twa ngu na mfa nya gala no si na ka me pe site ato mo go twa ngu na mama kala won tua na ndem tua na tina omo budget on but on some bi ene efe say Ibrahim omo ma sache ku omo nya anrechi won wa muntua woka and the teacher for so omo ye for omo be tua woka 1.5 year bi tua woka mo na mo nya nwuhwe ye ka asem tua mo so munti we ya ye ka ye bre ye mo ye be pre ama MPP asa ba be ye nyoma dofu de omo ma sa be tua but SK we was so being obi to aso me ba
okay Sonny Bell DH
Yes.
me pacho ma good evening
Now what is saying?
adum oh jama wa obi wasan ni kufro na aba man Suzy pacho me fro pacho ma ya ma mo friend to so esa obasan ko achi o flash a me obi a me fawo mesre wa ma mesre why pacho wa ni die kwa so mo fre ba ko pa man fre bi me fre obi line by line me ni obi a when obi a first come first serve pacho meet you
And then I may join now. Me picking on that's how before no na I think say me to me call life.
okay
Different phone. And I can't so what picking me. I'm a picking my picking so
yeah
that was Monday.
yeah
I think it's a Monday.
but we share so we no a year won follow me
Me up picking. Then I now Samu.
we I try what has won follow me kwa so me follow yenko o da ka bi ni yenko
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah. Oh, okay. Measure the mic. Measure the Yamias.
amen
Go for Musu.
ai
Yes, it's almost Mujapa. Dollar, abana nice. Nice in the drum like so when you're nice. Oko bank crowd winya. I just saw black market 12 city. Black market 12 city. Oko black market to na me adwuma. Ona me shop one. Offer. Said the full way see the pen. The kai for 2023, 2020. If you corporate no crowd offer. Said they see party and now share some for full way. I pay you for my babaji on my gun up prosper the bank for them. Yambe chomoko and this Okayan Tom. At the end of my atteso. Yateso, I did maybe different China about no. Never said 250, but I did 106 of I am told. Make kind another time. Oh, make kind another time. 23rd December, piano offer. 23rd December, 24th December, me says 60,000, 40,000. This year, Mahama time offer December 23rd, 24th. When is coming, I say 4,000.
So
4,000.
with Linqua.
They say, Yamio Benchum can walk. Of a Momo Fanya, a graph. Now, teacher for them, the person account, a teacher for. I allow it, and the next, allow it, so young, allow it, young. And the credit grace super members betting you, not when you can't fall about this. Never home. Never home. As the man found a twinge and I mean, a corner now on our walk. Hello.
Yeah, me too.
Aha. Kuno.
Yeah.
But my dear may make family trying the Kuno.
So,
I know what text number, what are you?
One I saw for number no. Yeah, YouTube so go number na masi o deje na nkrofo wachire ma me fa mouse si ya enye san so ma me hi me wi me the best no ho why okay me da si bebre
Grandfather, dear me and come as a teacher for the next one. A phobia. Omopa. Omonko a year or a phobia. Omo with the most phobia. But I must say, I will be a benyanity about we. That's a down top by 8 years. No, almost so much. Mr. Dollar wash your partners. Dollar wash your party, papa.
Mate.
Then, me say, the not do now for let me back out with Ghana. How Ghana? Is it a bit sure? Mr. Bishop, because they are they are me.
Mo. Oh, my broken was I. Okay.